Hey guys, so I literally just woke up and it was raining so badly earlier, but today's just gonna be like a quiet day, so yeah, let's get started. I have been so obsessed with New Jeans Get Up album. I've been listening to it every day. Does anyone else's eyelids do this when using the colour? All I've done, it doesn't look much, probably because of the lighting, but I did retouch it a bit. Yeah, so right now we are going to a spot where I normally go to. I saw this cute flower in someone's garden. It would have been so nice to dry it in a book. Also very grateful of living near a beautiful river. It's very calming to come here whenever I feel overwhelmed, and it's nice hearing noises of nature. I feel like everyone needs to have a time to focus on themselves and their mental well-being. Me making a YouTube channel and vlogging helps me find my inner confidence and learn to love myself. People were so loud around here, but it's okay. Headphones, listening to my sleep playlist. Anyways, while I was journaling, I was thinking a lot about my next stage in life as I'm going into sixth form. This part of my life is going to change a lot as I'm going to become friends with new people, become a new person, and start to seriously think about my career. I'm just wondering, are there people who generally don't really know what to do for their career? Because I have some ideas, but I don't know what to do specifically. If you feel the same, I hope you find something that you will love doing in the future. I found this rock place to sit at near some apartments. I felt a bit shy to film because people kept coming near me walking their dogs. They were so cute. Sadly, I didn't get to finish journaling today because of the weather, but going outside made me feel better. This is weird to say, but it's like a cleansing of your soul. Anyways, thank you guys for watching my very first YouTube video, and I hope you stay here for more vids in the future. All my socials are in the description, so please follow and comment on this video. Have a great day, see you later!